Welcome! In front of me I have Amazfit Bip 5 and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by basically pressing and holding the side button on it. So let's press and hold the button. Once you see the Amazfit logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the list of languages on the screen. And what you can do is to basically scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen, finding the language you would like to use on your watch. And once you find the language, tap on it to select it. And then, as you can see, it will tell us to download and install the Zep application. Tap on the check mark. You can scan the QR code to download the app. I'm just gonna open the Play Store on our phone and download it from there. And to do that, we need to have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on our phone. Once you do, open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Zep and tap on search. And you should see this application on the list. Zep, formerly Amazfit. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the install button. Okay, and once the application is done installing, you can tap on the open button to open it. In the app, you will need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can always tap on the sign up button to make a new one. You can also use the third-party accounts like Xiaomi, Google, Facebook, and I believe Line and WeChat. But I already have an account, so I'm gonna basically log in into it. So give me a couple of seconds. Okay, let's see. Okay, and after you log in, you will see the homepage of the app. Now tap on Profile, and here tap on Add Device. Select the watch category, tap on Got It, and allow the required permission. Here tap on Got It, and allow the permission, basically to scan the QR code. And what we need to do is to scan the QR code from our watch. So pick up the phone and point the camera of the phone on the watch. And once it scans it, it should start connecting the device. Tap on Pair. Confirm by tapping on the check mark. Here we can enable or disable the synchronized device settings and PAI data. It's basically like a training data. So if you had previous Amazfit devices, you can basically sync the data from those devices to your new watch if you like to. I'm just gonna tap on set as new, but if you want to, you can synchronize the data. Then tap on done. And if you see this pop up about the permissions, you can allow them or deny them. This is useful, for example, the phone calls is useful for the notifications for phone calls. So if somebody calls you on your phone, your watch will display who's calling you and stuff like that. So if you want to use the feature, allow the permissions. If you don't care, you can deny it. If you see this pop up on the screen, tap on Pair and the check mark to confirm. And allow or deny more of the permissions. Okay, and once you're done with the permissions, you should see the device page for your Amazfit Bip 5. And here we have some settings and stuff like that. But that basically means that the watch is paired with our phone. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.